My experience has been great so far.
Oh my God, it was really awesome. I enjoyed every bit of it. Really awesome, yeah.
Wow, I have to say, it's been very exciting to be here at BiZmarrow. I've enjoyed my learning experience so far with the tutors that you have here.
My training is practical, mostly practical. The only time is the few theories we come along still have to go with the practical, because we are trying to do practical things than theoretical. So, and I think that is one thing I appreciate BiZmarrow in. They are more practical. They are more of practical aspect than of theory.
It's been amazing so far. It's better than when students are being clustered in the classroom and it's just only one to do. So one-on-one training has been great.
It has been wonderful also. Because I remember I came to BiZmarrow with little or no knowledge. I have a knowledge of what I'm coming to learn. But within the first 2-3 weeks, I think I captured everything that I needed to know when it comes to programming, database programming, as in MySQL, PHP database programming. So it has been an awesome experience. And today I can say I'm on top of my work in my office.
The one-on-one training at BiZmarrow here will help you to, it's so easy to understand everything. It will really help you. It's something everybody needs to experience.
Looking for something practical. I didn't want a theory, or I didn't want to be taught how to use it and not know how to use it at the end of the training. I really wanted to do things practically, and I've been able to do projects. I've been able to think. I've been able to be creative. My tutor makes me to think, and he gives me projects to work on. So I've really learned a lot coming to BiZmarrow.
I've already started designing things, because whenever I take a class here, I'll be given an assignment in a form of homework to now make and bring the next day, which perfects what I learned that same day. So by the time I went home and finished the assignment, you will see that that knowledge is perfected.
Everything about the training was practical. And say everything, because you do a one-on-one training, it shows how it is. When you are having a difficulty, you come back the next week and you rectify those practical, you do it personally, and that's even the most beauty about the whole thing. It's not the theoretical part, because it's all one-on-one training, and it has been perfect.
But let me tell you something. I didn't get only the training. I also got a mentorship class. I tell you what, you need to come to BiZmarrow. You need to register for a training here. I'm telling you. I got a mentorship class, and from the mentorship class, I was able to set up my own business. Honestly, in fact, as it stands now, I have 2 businesses I'm doing, and they are running smoothly. So it was really awesome, a good experience.
100%, yeah, I'm satisfied.
Yes, I would say that at least I'm getting satisfied.
This is one of the best training I had, seriously, I must confess, and it's really yielding fruit.
Because I think so far, I know is the best.
I am very much satisfied, and I will keep referring people, because look, some other people out there needs the help of BiZmarrow. The world is evolving and everybody needs ICT. So BiZmarrow is a very good place to be.